I recently sat down with Marvo. When he was talking, he was like his own boss already. He's not signed. And he had his own merch. He designed so many things. Like, he even talked about opening a new cafe that's going to be selling like some of his merch. And he showed me the design. And I thought to myself, wow, he's only been in the industry for a few months and he's already thinking of diversifying. Like, it took me over a decade to start thinking, okay, I need to do this and I need to do that. But the new generation, they're not waiting. They're so proactive. They're building their own community. They're building their own fan base. They're thinking of DTC, direct to consumer, already. Like, they're talking to their fan bases directly. They're building the characteristics of their fan base. So we never had that. You know, we had people who would talk to our fans via groups and, you know, they would set up groups and whatever. We never really had that.